Okay. Hi, everybody. How you doing? Did pretty good. I just thought I would do a ring pour with the pre-mixed artist loft paints. I've been practicing my ring pours lately, and some of them haven't turned out too well. I never liked the middle, the way they look, but I'm just going to settle for one today. Hopefully it'll work out right because I'm using this paint. I have a 12 by 12, which usually requires about 5 ounces. So we'll just get started. Black. Turquoise. Yes, red. Not much though. And gold. And I figured up to the line is about 5 ounces. There we go. Let's see how these colors show up together. And we'll see how they look together. I don't know about the red. Yeah, let me put a little thing right in here. There we go. Okay, here goes. Never know. Maybe too much turquoise. Here we go. Now, I don't know, put that red in there. We'll see. Maybe if I just circle it a little. I don't know about that. Well, I didn't do much, so we'll see. Here goes. Ooh, like the gold in there. Looks like there might be a chunk or something right there because it's kind of looking funny. Yeah, there's a chunk in there. What a bummer. Where did that come from? Is that it? Yep, no, look at it, made this draggy thing. What a bummer. Look at what it did. Well, maybe it'll give it some character. The red kind of does look cool in there. But yeah, that dragged big time. Hope that's not too dark. I think I used too much black. It's pretty neat though. If that wasn't there, oh, I don't like that snag in there. All right, here goes again. I just dump out what's in here. Use the same cup. All right. This time I think I'm gonna go with gold. The red was kind of neat, but kind of mudded it, so I'm not gonna do that. I'll just go with the turquoise. Bummer. Don't need that much. Okay. One more time. Gold came out last, that's cool. Huh. Now that there's a layer of paint, it probably will look prettier. Because the lines come out more defined if there's a base. That's so pretty right there. I don't want to lose that, but I have to. Maybe not. Yeah, I'll lose it. Maybe not all of it. There, that's cool. That's cool. Right on. That is pretty. I love it. That red was not a good choice. Gold's great. Just touch up these ends here and then we'll do a close-up. More paint than I wanted to use, that's for sure. It's a bummer, but that's okay. I like my center. Unreal. That is so cool. Let me look at it different directions. That's cool too. Most definitely this way, I think. Yeah, that is cool. All right, so I'm just gonna touch up a little bit here. And it's good. Wipe my hands. Yeah, that red just kind of mudded it in there. It was like brown in a way. I should have known better. So that's a cool middle. Let's check out the middle. Right on. Very pretty. Not too much turquoise either, so that's even cooler, and not too much black. There we go. I'm happy with that. Finally. That's pretty cool. That's a neat painting, man. I've been doing some resin stuff, but I've been having to wait for it to cure. So it'll be a couple days for them to come out. That's what I've been doing all week. So, and little odds and ends things. I made a little clock and stuff. Oh, I'll get the clock and show it to you. Let me take this off my hands though. It's nothing special, but it's cute. I'll put it in one of my sales when I have them. It's that pretty glitter, that tinsel. Like teal tinsel. Turquoisey. And I did the hands, a glitter, and little stars as the numbers. I attached this little piece here on the back. I just bent it. It was like for a cupboard. It was a cupboard hook, yeah. And I just resined it to the back. And it hangs real nice. So there we go with my new clock. That's what I've been up to. I've been doing some other stuff, but I'm not crazy about this one. This here did not turn out to my liking, but I'm going to keep it. I'm going to resin it. It's about a 9-inch tall glass vase. And I purposely wanted it just nice and gold to match the decals. I think it's kind of pretty. And so I'll resin this. I mean, it's okay. I wasn't exactly too crazy about it, but it'll be a pretty flower holder, flower vase. And once it's got resin on it, it'll really be pretty. It's got gold and rose gold and copper in there. Oh, that's kind of hard to see. There we go with that. That's what I've been doing, just little things with my alone time. Well, thanks for watching. Hope everybody's doing great. Let me know what you think about this one. I love it. I'm happy with it. Not happy that I wasted some paint in the beginning, but not much. But it's cool. All right, take it easy. Catch you later. Bye-bye now.